Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: Waving a Magic Wand, Introduction to Network Automation. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun. Ever found yourself typing the same command over and over again on a dozen switches? My fingers ache just thinking about it. What if I told you there's a way to make a computer do all that repetitive, boring stuff for you, perfectly, every single time? That, my friends, is the magic wand we're going to wave today. Network automation. Think about configuring a new network manually. It's like navigating a giant maze, slowly, with a map that might have a few coffee stains. It's slow, super error-prone. Typos happen, inconsistent across devices, and honestly, a bit soul-crushing. Network automation is the Autobahn. It's about speed, precision, consistency, and freeing up our brains for the truly interesting, challenging stuff. No more 3 a.m. typo hunting. So, what is this magic wand? Simply put, network automation is using software and tools to manage and configure network devices automatically, without human intervention for every single step. Instead of me logging into each switch and typing commands, I write a set of instructions, a spell or script, once, and then tell a program to deliver those instructions to all the switches at the speed of light. It's like having a super fast, super accurate personal assistant for your network. What's in our magic toolbox? A big one is programming languages like Python. It's how we write our spells. We also talk about APIs, application programming interfaces, which are like special direct lines of communication to a device's brain, letting our automation tools talk to it directly. And then there are frameworks like Ansible, which are like super smart spellbooks that make applying those instructions to many devices super easy. No need to be a coding wizard on day one, but it's good to know the names. How do our network devices understand our magic wand instructions? Traditionally, they'd listen to our keyboard through the command line, CLI, via SSH. But the asterisk really cool and modern way is through APIs. Imagine an API as a special doorbell on the device that our automation tool can ring to send instructions directly, without having to pretend to type. It's much more efficient and gives us more control. I'm just starting on this automation journey myself, and let me tell you, it feels like learning a new language. My first step has been getting cozy with Python and understanding how to even talk to devices with code, even if it's just hello. I'm also looking at how simple scripts can fetch information from devices, like show version. It's a bit like learning to say hello before you can write a novel. But every small success feels like casting a real spell. Okay, the big question. Is automation going to put us out of a job? Absolutely not. Automation takes away the boring, repetitive, button-pushing tasks. It frees us up to do the really interesting, challenging, and creative stuff, like designing better networks, troubleshooting complex problems, and innovating. We become network architects and strategists instead of just network typists. So, are you ready to dip your toes into the magic of network automation? Even understanding what it is a huge first step. I'm going to keep exploring this on the channel, showing you practical examples and how I'm learning these tools. Let me know what you're curious about in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep having fun with networking. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.